Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL E45BT wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working for any reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you decide you'd rather just get a new set of headphones, I'll put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to delete everything off of them, clear all the pairing history so that you can set them up more or less like they're just coming out of the box new. We can go ahead and do this really easily. We just need to first of all make sure our headphones are on, so if they're not on, we'll just hit the power button to turn them on. And then once we do that, we're just going to come in and press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons for more than 5 seconds. And then after those 5 seconds or so, you'll see the headphones will actually turn off and then turn back on, and they'll turn back on into their factory default settings. You can set them up like new.